We are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing names from history, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel if you enjoy learning about those. So there are different ways of pronouncing it. The pronunciation is not really consistent. Many say it as Ashurbanipal, with a stress on that third bar syllable, Ashurbanipal, but it is also pronounced as Ashurbanipal, with a stress on that fourth ni syllable, Ashurbanipal. It is also sometimes said with an S sound as the second syllable rather than a sh sound, as Ashurbanipal, Ashurbanipal. And that's because even the spelling of the name is not always consistent. Sometimes it is simply spelled with a double S instead of SH. So, you know, different ways of pronouncing it. But if you say Ashurbanipal, you'll be safe, Ashurbanipal, or if you prefer, Ashurbanipal. But yeah, up to you. At least now you know. Like and subscribe if you found this video useful. Thanks for watching.